Gut Health Guide, Improve Digestion with Nutrition and Movement. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're talking about your gut, aka your stomach and digestive system, the core of your health and energy. Your gut does more than digest food. It affects your immune system, mood, brain function, and even weight control. In this video, I'll show you simple habits, foods, and movements to improve digestion and support a healthy, happy gut. So if you're tired of bloating, indigestion, or low energy, stick around and let's heal your gut together. Section 1. Why gut health matters. Your gut houses over 100 trillion bacteria. That's more than your body has cells. This complex ecosystem is called the gut microbiome, and it controls digestion, nutrient absorption, and inflammation. Poor gut health can lead to issues like gas, bloating, constipation, acid reflux, skin problems, even anxiety and fatigue. But with just a few adjustments, you can balance your gut flora and improve your whole body health. Section 2. Best foods for better digestion. Let's talk about what to feed your gut. These foods nourish your digestive system and help good bacteria thrive. 1. Probiotic foods. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso help populate your gut with healthy microbes. 2. Prebiotic-rich foods. Bananas, garlic, onions, oats, and asparagus feed those good bacteria. 3. High-fiber veggies and whole grains. They support digestion and keep things moving. 4. Ginger and peppermint. Soothe the stomach and relieve nausea, gas, and bloating. 5. Bone broth. Helps heal the gut lining and improves nutrient absorption. Avoid ultra-processed foods, excess sugar, fried items, and artificial sweeteners. They disrupt the microbiome and slow digestion. Section 3. Movement that supports digestion. Movement isn't just good for muscles. It's essential for gut health. Physical activity stimulates digestion and relieves discomfort. 1. Post-meal walks. Take a 10 to 15-minute walk after eating to boost digestion and prevent bloating. 2. Yoga poses. Try child's pose, wine-relieving pose, or seated twist to massage your digestive organs. 3. Gentle core movements. Light stretching or Pilates activates your abdominal area and helps move food through the intestines. 4. Deep breathing. Reduces stress, which is a major disruptor of gut function. Section 4. Lifestyle tips for a happy gut. Here are everyday habits that keep your stomach and gut working at their best. 1. Hydrate regularly. Water helps break down food and prevent constipation. 2. Prioritize sleep. Your gut repairs itself while you rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. 3. Eat mindfully. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and avoid overeating to reduce stress on your digestive system. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can trigger acid reflux, bloating, and IBS. Meditate, walk, or journal to protect your gut. 5. Be consistent. Your digestive system thrives on a routine. Try to eat and move at the same times each day. A healthy gut leads to better digestion, more energy, sharper thinking, and even a better mood. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. You don't need expensive cleanses. Just focus on real food, daily movement, and mindful habits to restore your gut naturally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite gut-friendly food. And subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more ways to live better one habit at a time. Fuel your gut, heal your life, stay healthy.